August, September. Hey guys, good evening everyone. Happy Saturday. Yeah, it's a weekend once again. Welcome to our weekend stock market recap for September 5, 2020. Hello, let's wait for the others to join. Welcome. Don't forget to say hi. Hi, Super Rookie and Kenneth. Good evening, guys. How are you? Okay, I'm just testing my audio, so just checking. Hi, friend. Kumusta? So, yeah, let's just wait. Siguro pag umabot tayo ng 10, we can start. You may invite your friends. Sana mag-join din sila sa ating live. And just drop a comment for the stocks that you'd like me to review as well. Okay naman po. Nag-coffee po. Nag-coffee po. White tea kayo. Nag-coffee? Kung nag-coffee na ako? Aba, mukhang pa-morningan to. Definitely. It's almost 12 midnight. Yeah. Nakatulog na kasi ako eh. Kaya, reverse. Kung kailan patulog na yung iba, ako'y gigising. Let me just edit our thumbnail. Pinalitan ko yung date. Change thumbnail. Kumusta mga trades niyo, guys? Were you profitable last week? Tingnan natin. Ito po, nog-nog pa din. Carry lang yan kahit kahit ano, basta happy. Sige, let's start. Yan na. Yan, set up. Settings. Background. Okay lang audio ko, guys. Investor for almost a week now. May naipit ka, no? Anong stock naipit sa'yo? Carry lang yan. Babalik din yan. Huwag magpadala sa emotions, guys. Ganda ng ali. Sige, punta muna tayo sa PSEI. Oh. Okay. Alright, guys, so let us officially start. Yup, Kenneth Guzman. Okay po, audio. Sige, salamat. Okay. So, Taglish na to. Pag weekend, Taglish. Kasi andyan kayo, guys. May nakakausap ako. Alright. So, for PSCI, looks like we're stabilizing and establishing a support, no? This one, over here. Parang pa-bounce na to. Pabalik na yata to. Paakyat. Ayan, 5,700 level. But for 3 days straight, 1, 2, 3. 3 days na siya. Each time we go near that level, may bounce nangyayari. And yes, in fact, the candlestick last Friday, the body of the candlestick is really bigger and bigger. So promising. The setup is promising. We might see some more bullish movements in the coming days for our index. Anong news? Tingnan natin. Pero hindi naman to representative of how your individual stock will perform. Actually, ito yung byproduct of how the stocks in the index perform. So, let us see ngayon, titingnan natin pag mga stocks natin kung medyo bullish na siya. Alright. Sa global, hindi nakapag-take profit na cut loss pa. Ay, sayang! Anong nangyari, Kenneth? Anong stock to? Di naman po ipit. Ayaw lang gumalaw. DMC. Si sabi ni Efren, DMC. Kanina tinitingnan ko si DMC kasi naghahanap ako. Sabi ko, anong stock na medyo promising ang dividend? Para at least, alam mo yun, because I'm starting to consider na dapat mag-active ako sa investing side ko. Kasi, di ba nga, I'm working. So, sabi ko, naghanap ako ng stock na medyo maganda yung bigayan at medyo mura. DMC. Nakita ko kanina, DMC. So, I think, kung maganda yung pasok mo, I searched a website. Saan ba to? Actually, nakabukas pa siya ngayon eh. Ito. DMC August 2, 2020. Control F, DMC. Ayan o, 6.61 siya dito. So, may 7.26% yield annual dividend. So, kung 6.61 siya, tapos 3.96 na lang siya ngayon. So, ipagpalagay natin na 0.48, no? So, 0.48 kunwari lang, hindi magbabago. How many times a year siya nagbibigay? That's a question. March. Oh, so once a year. 0.48 divided by 3.96. I know. Oo, tama. 12%? Panalo kung ang entry. So, kapag ang price niya, let's say you entered around this level, tapos let us say mag-stagnate siya sa 0.23 na cash dividend on a yearly basis, at tapos yan ang average mo. Each year, ang pera mong natutulog gains 12% revenue. So, yun ang mga naghahanap ako. May isa pa eh. Tingnan mo itong SCC. Talking about dividends lang ngayon na. I'll review your stocks in a while. SCC sa pang nakikita kong medyo promising. March, 120, 125. So, parang once a year din siya nagbibigay. So, 1.25, tapos nakabili ka ng nasa 9.40. That's 13%. So, in the event na we start, diba? If you start investing, pag investor mindset ka talaga, you start putting your money now while the market is down, and then when it recovers and these stocks continue to give dividend, your yearly passive income is, let's say on average, 9 to 13%. That's very significant amount. Ang ganda ng yearly returns. Diba? Hi Roberto McLovin. Just in time, can I suggest eToro fees for the next video? The fee seems intimidating. Roberto, do you use leverage? Nagle-leverage ka ba sa eToro? By the way, guys, if you would like to start trading or investing in the US market, sobrang promising din ang setup na yun. Kahapon, pumasok ako sa Apple kasi nag-split bang term nila doon? Split stock. It's now down to 100 plus na lang yung per share divided by 1:4 yung split niya. Anyway, so Roberto, if you are using baka malaki yung fund mo, malaki yung magamit ng leverage. Si Kenneth naman, Tesla. Baka so hindi ka naka-exit. Profitable na. Sige lang. I have high confidence in Tesla actually. Kahapon, kagabi, I was looking into that. Medyo nataasan lang ako ng price niya. Kahit nag-stock split din sila. Ito. 4:1. So, dati, 120 nasa, sa mga nasa 500, 600 ang previous price niya. And Tesla, nasa 418. So, anong level mo? Pero, for sure, nakaabot ka ng Roberto? Were you able to, Kenneth pala, nakaabot ka sa stock split nila, 5:1. Ang ganda actually ng ibig sabihin ng stock split because it will look really attractive for investors because they will be able to buy more shares this time. And, definitely, wala namang nagkaiba sa market value niya and everything. Mas napagaan lang yung ability ng yung sitwasyon na people can buy more of Tesla, more of Apple with their funds. So, pwede pang tataas pa ulit to lalo especially if the company has really strong fundamentals. So that's where I'm banking on, right? So especially nowadays, medyo we're starting to recover in terms of our economic situation. Businesses are starting to open up. Although in the Philippines, the cases of COVID have not really shown any signs of slowing down. So we still have to be extra careful. Otherwise, it will not just hurt. Um, of course, yung progress ng ekonomiya natin, medyo talagang babagal siya. So we just have to cooperate and be extra careful para mag slow down na to. Hopefully, yung mga naplano na mga vaccines, those will be out really soon, no? So, okay, let us talk about DMC. Balik tayo kay DMC, ha. Si DMC, ayan, we're already moving above the MA20 line. May mga profit taking lang, slow moving siya. Slow moving, but we're showing movements above the MA20 line. So pag babagsak siya, we're looking at 3.86 as our area of support. Notice as it reaches 3.86, most of the time you will see price bouncing. So that's a good sign. At the same time, well, you're still at the above the 50 level for our RSI. That means there's still momentum, pero volume konti lang. Kailangan lang talaga ng volume to move the price higher. And April. Okay, and we're still at the very bottom. Grabing binagsak niya. Right? Hopefully, as we recover, it will push the price higher. Next. Go and check out the most trending stocks. Pag wala kayong request, guys, I will just prioritize the most trending ones. Yeah. Si Roberto, andyan pa ba? We'll review. Okay, I might have to check that later, yung fees. EEI. Okay, Efren, let's check that. Alright. Ang ganda. Engulfing. That means, well, my green, my foreign buying na nangyari, and we're still pushing the upper Bollinger Band. We're still outside. We ended outside of the Bollinger Band. Do you see that? That means there's still good buying. Good buying. Hold on. Buying sentiment is strong at the moment, and consider where we are at the moment here. Very cheap level. Pero I think pag may profit taking, kasi nasa overbought level tayo, it will just probably land around 5.96 and create a stronger support in that area, and then after that we'll continue to push the price higher, creating higher highs and higher lows, which are the key elements of an uptrend stock. Okay. So hopefully you were able to enter at a good level, Efren. All right. So yes, Super Rookie HLCM in green. HLCM. Ayan, bounce din si HLCM. And constricted pa yung Bollinger Band. Slowly we're opening up. So I just feel that we are going to continue to move higher here. Yan, ang bagong support, which is right at the MA20 line, is 5.49. Kita nyo? There you have it. So, posible, ang ganda rin, oh, galing siya sa baba. Still way down there. Wala ba ito? Hindi ba ito nagdi-dividend? Wala pa. Pero it's very cheap level. 5.49. So I see this stock moving higher, more bullish movements. Just if you want to enter in between 5.49 to 5.92, that is a good level. Just put a threshold lower than 5.49 as your stop loss levels. Yung Subway. EI ba yun? Or ICP? Kalimutan ko. Green. Tingnan natin si Green. Si Green, ayan, medyo uptrend na siya for several months now. But the volume, foreign buying is on. Volume is still high. Right? And so let's plot where our support levels are. Tingnan natin. There's a resistance nearby, guys. Hold on. Medyo maingay. See that? 2.15. 2.15 is our resistance. So I have a feeling pagdating niya ng 2.15, there will be some profit taking, pero pag maganda ang fundamentals or yung news that drives the movement, pwede niyang basagin yan. Pero just be a little conservative because we have been moving up for quite some time now. In fact, from the start of the pandemic, this stock has been moving up. So just in case, if you're already profitable, maybe consider locking in some profit. And when it drops, and if you're really a strong believer of the fundamentals of green, then just go ahead and buy some more during the dips. J-Bond. BDO. Okay, let's do that. In the meantime, may tatry ako. Mag-commercial muna tayo. Tingnan ko lang kung gagana siya. Ay, hindi siya gumagana. Okay. BDO. Ayun, may dividend ulit tayo, guys. 30, March, June, July, August, September. So, parang every quarter siya, no? 0.30 times 4, 1.2 divided by 87.8. Ang liit. 1% per year. Per sige lang. Yan na natin yun dyan. Okay. Mukhang promising. Mukhang babalik na siya. Finally. So ako, I'm a holder of BDO because we're an investor here. And looks like this one has respected the 85.57 as our support level. May foreign buying ka din. So I just feel like this is just the start of the reversal. Mukhang reversal na siya. Reversal na ng BDO. Okay, so if you want to get in, I think the best level, you're at the best level right now. Anywhere from 85.57 to 87.8, that's a good one. Wala lang tayo control, guys. If the stock decides to go gap up on Monday, di natin kontrolado yan. Pero at any time may opportunity ka, the nearer you are to the 85.57, the better. Yun. Okay, that's for you, J-Bon. The next one is Ali. Si Ali, ayun, landing page ng ano ko. Si Ali looks like we are also heading the same direction. Very nice candlestick last Friday. This is an engulfing candlestick. So 26.88 is the area we're looking at as our support. So magpa-fluctuate yan. So if you want to stick to that, or kung nagmamadali ka, still healthy level pa naman from 26 to 28. You can consider that as our support area. Alright? Ang sunod nating i-review, sige, si JFC. Magre-reverse na ba to? Tagal naman ni JFC makyat. Okay, JFC. Trying to establish a support. You're welcome, Super Rookie. Nasa 133.51. Yan. Kita nyo? For 1, 2, 3 days. Tapos, previously, ayan, may resistance tayo dyan. Naging support dito. So, baka mag-stay naman siya dyan. Hopefully, mag-sustain yung support area natin na yan at 133.51. So far, this has also dropped significantly. Pero still, we are a strong believer of this stock. 135.62, ang liit ng binaba ng ano niya, no? Dati nagte-trending siya at 1 peso, tapos nag-half talaga. 1.2. Pero pag tataas na yung presyo at mag-stabilize na yan, kung investor ka dyan, who knows, di ba? Nagbabago naman kasi yung ano eh, yung ating dividends, depende sa income. 1.2, lagay natin times 4. 4.8 divided by 136, kunwari. 3%. MBT. Si MBT mukhang same. $33.38. Ayan, kita nyo to. Support. Support. Triple bottom. Yan. So, nasa support area tayo. Ay, nakita ko si Tech. Mukhang reversal siya. Yan, ang ganda oh. Engulfing. This is an engulfing candlestick. Signs of reversal yan. Posible. Aking chance natin dyan. Yes. So anywhere from 5.47 to 5.75, that would be a good area to start accumulating lang. Hindi pa super full-blown because medyo hindi pa ganun kalaki yung volume. Pero I have a feeling, guys, look at this. This volume last August 14th, it's a significant increase in the volume. Pero the following days, nagpa-flatline lang tayo. May mga drops siya. Pero yung volume mo ang liit lang. Oh. That means people are holding onto their position. So, pag ganon, madami pang taong nandyan. They're just waiting. Next one. Si SM kaya. Pwede rin to. Ano ang tawag nito? Hammer? Yeah, parang nag-form siya ng hammer dun sa support level. Used to be a resistance right here. Support. 4 point. Laki eh. Pero 846 eh. Hindi na, si SM di siya masyado naapektuhan. Very strong company. Kahit lahat nag-drop na, fluctuation niya within the sideways pa lang. Para lang siyang nag-sideways talaga. Look at that, right? So, I'm looking at 833.82 as our support area. Let's take a look at wait lang, may request sa atin eh. May nag-request sa atin. Let's take a look sa ating YouTube. Hold on. I'll just check the comments. So this one is from Bimboy Aquino. Halaka. He said, stay away from the stock sectors. Banks, property, industrial, one line of product. Good sector to buy, utilities, consumer, telecom, and transpo, basic goods, and last materials. This has a low movement in after recession. Well, actually, that makes sense, no? Ako, I agree with utilities, consumer, the stocks that or the sectors that he recommended. I totally agree because these are the things that we need, even when we are stuck here at home. Banks, ang banks, I'm 50-50 because banks right now have a lot of online, kumbaga you can do online banking, right? So, continuous pa rin yung pag-iikot ng pera sa mga tao that will still require the use of banks. And ang problema lang dyan is yung mga taong kunwari na nawalan ng trabaho and hindi nakapagbayad ng mga loans. So, yung mga loans nila dyan, kung madami silang napaloan ng mga tao, so baka doon na part, medyo tagilid tayo dyan. Pero with the banks, pang investor mindset yan nandyan. Kasi habang bagsak yung banks, sobrang attractive to para sa mga investors. Efren, Bloom. Okay, tingnan natin si Bloom. Si Bloom mukhang profit taking. Pero hindi naman, nasa baba pa tayo eh. So yung feeling ko yung profit taking na yan, slight drop lang yung gagawin niya. Probably around 6.48. It might drop up to that level, which is ilang percent yan? Mga around 7% din pala, ang laki. Pero just so you know, I'm looking at it, a possibility of it dropping. And pag mag-drop siya, pwedeng hindi naman totally mag-reach dyan. Tingnan natin sa ating Fibonacci retracement. Kapag ito ay mag-drop, first area niya dito, 6.81. Tapos dito, 6.65. And third is slightly yan. So, gawa ka ng Fibonacci retracement and try to identify which are the key levels where it could potentially drop and make a bounce. Yun. Siguro the lowest threshold mo dyan is 0.618 level. Around 6.40. Yan. Pero meron ka pa ano eh. But come to think of it, mura niya, pero kaso lang ano pala, tourism yung industry nito. Medyo hindi pa tayo stable sa area na yan. Although may foreign buying, pero looking at this sector and the potential of the sector at this period of time, no, not yet. The next, AP, si Ethan Caparas. Comment sa atin AP, APC, and Shell PH. Tingnan natin si AP. Sideways pa siya, pero still holding yung kanyang MA20. So, baka dire-diretso lang muna dyan siya. Sideways, and then next would be aakyat na. Kasi ang baba rin, no? Grabe din yung nag-drop sa kanya. 1.18. Ilang beses siya nagbigay na year? Once a year, 1.18. Mga 5%. 1.18 divided by 26. 4.5%. Di pa mas malaki kita ng bank pag umilit sila ng mga collateral sa loans. Anong umilit man? Di po mas malaki kita ng bank pag So you mean pag naremata yung mga collateral nila? Oh, mas malaking nila. Kumbaga yung tubo nila, mas malaki doon kasi syempre undervalued yan pag collateral mo, i-rate lang nila yung value ng property mo around 60 to 70 lower than its actual market value. Pero ang hindi maganda dyan is nasa fixed assets na punta ang kanilang funds. So, kung hindi basta-basta, kunwari na naremata yung collateral nila at hindi na-dispose agad. So, dun sila stuck. Oo. So, yun lang. Kaya, hindi naman sila totally malulugi. Maano lang. Matetenga lang yung funds nila dun. Next one is Shell PH. Oh, sideways. Sideways, may foreign buying. And let us see. Baka ang haba na rin ng kanyang sideways. So I just feel like baka packet na rin to anytime soon. Foreign buying over here. Hold on na, mainit lang ako. Ayan. Investor sila at that time. Yeah, pero especially sa mga big banks, I'm not scared. Hindi tayo kakabahan dyan. So this one, Shell PH over here, is doing sideways. Nagda-drop siya, pero within this level lang. Very near the support area. So 17.49 is 17.49 is our tawag nito, ating support. Yan. So it might continue to drop pero konti na lang and then it will bounce. Next comment is from Kose Manka, MWC. MWC, 14 pesos siya ngayon, triggering some drops here. Where could it drop? So far kasi, di ba, nasa resistance level na siya eh. Kaya natural lang na profit take lang yung mga tao. Pero, kita mo to, from this point to this part, yung momentum niya pababa. So, next drop would be 13.46. Medyo magre-retrace muna to, and then as it touches the MA20 level, we'll try to observe again. Let us see if it will hold or if it will break that level. Pag nag-break yan, so it might trigger some more movements below that. The next is from, ayan, si Samuel. B-Core Bloom Gold. I'm intrigued with B-Core. While market cap is 10 billion, the candlestick formation seems unusual. Requesting your take on the stock. B-Core. 38 lang ang trades. Wala masyado volume eh. Baka pwedeng umpisa na rin to ng movement niya. Meron pala. Umakyat siya ng konti lang. Pero 38 trades lang kasi. Ang daling, ang daling i-manipulate. Baka yung 38 na dyan, ang nag-trade dyan, actively 4 o 5 lang palabas-pasok sila sa stock na yan. So, hindi mo talaga ma-sure na sila lang din yan. Until such time, it triggers the interest of the people and posibleng may mga galawang ceiling play sunod. Posible yan eh. Hi po! Hi Julius Emperador! Sige, tingnan natin. Guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, I'm inviting you guys to please subscribe or share nyo na rin yung channel ko para we could grow our community here. Okay, Emperador, nagpa-flatline siya. Nako, parang ano ba to? Medyo delikado na parang hindi. Kasi andito siya eh. Flatline siya dyan. Baka mag-hold din siya, no? Posible din. 165,000 on foreign buying. 0.11 2020 January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. $0.11.05. Oh. So, just wait and see guys. Mukhang posible namang temporary retracement lang. Kasi, ang ganda naman ng ng Emperador eh. Yan. Ang laki ng drop pala, oh. So, may malaki pa yung potential niya na umakyat. So, just check it out. If you want, you can start buying or accumulating more volume in this price level. So, 9.86. That's our nearest support. Okay. Wala na. Just a minute. Yan. And let's continue. Ano to Moody's project? A 7% contraction or contraction of the Philippine economy. Si Samuel. May YouTube na rin to si Samuel eh. So you can just check it out, guys. Can you do a review of SSI from Noel Santos? Yes, sure. Let's do that now. Julius, wala pa. I can review that for you. Oy, ang ganda ng SSI. Look at that. Big increase in the price. Tapos from my sideways siya and then pair with volume. So I see the stock moving up some more, guys. So good tawag nito. Sinong nag-request nito? Noel, good job for spotting this. Your support level here is around 1.05. Yeah, and that's the support area. So there could be a big potential for this stock to move some more higher. Ang next ay si Ali. Ay, na-mention ko na pala si Ali kanina, but I can do that again. Ali has bounced. 26.88 is the area we're looking as our support. Volume niya umaakyat na rin. So this could mean a possible sign of reversal. Mary Mart. Let's take a look at Mary Mart. Nag-doji. Hindi. Pero mukhang doji. Possible. This is the support I'm looking at. Oo. Kung mag-drop man siya dyan, feeling ko hanggang dito na lang sa area na to. 2.87. Sana hindi siya mag-break. Kasi pag nag-break yan, kasi ang bounce niya, ang liit lang ng bounce niya. So that, for me, is considered a lower high. Tapos, last threshold, visit siya ng support and bounce. Pag na-break niya, expect mo na maglo-lower low, which is a continuous downtrend. Ang next drop niya na ngayon would be 2.46. Dito siya. Okay, I'm not saying it'll drop, but what I'm trying to say is that 2.87 is a critical level for us to really monitor and check. Because if it sustains and holds the price at that area, then good. Because magbabounce yan. Otherwise, pag nag-drop, ang laki na ng sunod. Ay, meron pa pala dito. 2.72. Pwede pang isa dyan. Si JFC, Dawn, I've checked that, but since you're there, I can check it again. Ito, 133.51 ang nakikita natin na support for GFC. Yan. So, depende. I'm not really big fan of identifying resistance levels because magkakaiba tayo ng profile. I could mention a resistance and some people could take profit there, pero sa level mo, kung investor ka, you might be influenced. So, just know your objective. If you're happy with the profit that you already have, I'd go. You may exit. Pero kung investor ang mindset mo, wag magpadalos-dalos kasi yung objective mo is for long term. And talking about long term, sobrang laki pa ng potential niya kasi ang laki ng binagsak ng presyo. Diba? Okay, let me talk about PXP from Kim. ICAGI pala muna. From Trevor. AGI is sitting at a possible support at 6.04 or 6.02. Yan. Okay, nasa support level lang tayo. And looks like it is respecting your MA20 level. Yun. Yan, 6.06. And right now it's at 6.12, which is a support area. And I just feel that it will continue to move higher in the coming days. Nasa 50 na yung ating RSI. And let's take a look at PXP, and this is Kim Sayao's request. Thank you guys. Our viewers are growing. Good evening, good morning, wherever you are in the world. If this is your first time to watch our video, you may click the subscribe because we're doing this every day. I record videos, guys, every day, but pag weekend, I do live, and yeah, just to engage and of course catch up with you. By the way, if you'd like to support our channel, my super chat tayo dyan. You can click that and you can show your support to Miss JD. Yeah. Next is PXP. Si PXP naman. PXP is looks like bumabalik siya, no? Baka balikan niya to, ang 4.84. Look at that, 4.84. Baka babalik siya dyan, pula na naman, no? Hindi pa yata tapos ang downtrend niya. Pero nasa mababang presyo na tayo. Baka bubalik pa dito ulit sa 3.65, hold naman. Pero so far, that's the support that I'm looking at, 4.84. So I'm not sure kung saan ka dyan nakapasok, Kim, or interested ka palang pumasok. Next one is Cebu Pacific. Si Cebu Pacific, medyo pa unti-unti nag-start na sila mag-travel. Pero I know strictly enforced yung dami pang screening para maka-travel ka. So we're still, I'd say it's doing sideways, pero hindi pa talaga, I'm not very interested here yet kasi wala pa lang talaga major catalyst na would push the price higher. Not yet. But slowly, I hope we'll see recoveries here in Cebu Pacific. Pero medyo matatagalan pa yata. 35.08 ang nakikita kong support right now. Lowest would be, of course, when it drops 31.29. I feel that that's already the lowest that it could reach. Aaron, good morning po, Miss JD. Yes, good morning. Home, Mac, MBT po. May pag-asa pa po ba si Home? Tingnan natin. Home. Anong average mo dito, Aaron? Nakita ko, it's triggering the lower band. Ayan. Triggering, we're outside of the lower Bollinger Band. And from a constricted one, medyo constricted siya dito. So, baka 745. Uy, medyo mataas. Okay. Ang laki na ng negative nito para i-cut loss mo eh. Hintayin mo na lang siya, friend. Hintay ka na lang. Kasi ang cut loss, dapat early natin gawin yan. Pero pag hindi natin naabutan, edi hold ka na lang muna. Kasi it's really, ako, naiintindihan ko, I've been in these situations for so many times. Pag ganitong level na, I'll just habaan ko na lang pasensya ko. Kasi malaki na yan eh, para i-cut loss siya. Others would definitely disagree with me. Okay, so ito ang sitwasyon ngayon for Home. I see it dropping some more, and it could potentially drop up to the 5.62 level kasi tingnan muna natin sa weekly chart, ano? Ayan o, kasi tumawid na siya sa kanyang MA20 line. So, posibleng babagsak siya muna sa 5.70 kasi meron kang consolidation dyan. Each time it reaches this level, may nag-bounce, and then next drop 5.35. Pero overall, I see it dropping some more. And if you want to average down, hintayin mo muna na may confirmation either sa 570 or 535. When I say confirmation, parang ganito, na mag-engulfing siya dyan, nag-stop siya dyan, tapos may green candlestick. Yan ang sinasabi kong confirmation. Kahit 1 year, tingin niyo po ba, abot ng 1 year, mag 3 months na po ako nag-antay. I cannot say kung gaano katagal kasi kailangan talaga ng good catalyst yan. Pag may good catalyst yan, minsan isang araw, 2 araw lang yan, yung iba-bounce niya. Yung 1 year mong hinintay na nag-drop siya ng katagal-tagal, in a span of 1 to 2 days or even 1 week, mababawi mo siya. Parang ganito. Sino ba? Tingnan ko isa. Si Aba. There was a period here. Ayan o. From here, medyo lang, maliit lang. Nakikita niyo ba? Lakyan ko. Si Aba, sa sobrang tagal na panahon, from March 17 up to June of 2018, nag-drop siya. So, ito yung trend niya, nasa ganyang level lang siya. Nag-drop siya ng halos 45%. Okay? After it dropped, in a span of a day, kasi nag-ceiling plate to eh. In a span of a day, nag-83%. So posibleng mangyari 'yun. Pero syempre, medyo ang probability, ang liit ng probability niya. Pero may mga stocks na ganyan na isang araw lang pwede niyang bawiin yung isang taon mong paghintay. At ito, sinobrahan pa niya. Umakyat pa siya ng up to 0.90. So, some people will say, i-purge mo na yan, i-cut loss mo na yan. It's easy for them to say that kasi hindi nila pera. Pero pag pera mo na talaga ang hirap, pag hindi ka nakapag-cut loss early at nasobrahan siya, ako ang sasabihin ko talaga just be a little patient. Kasi hindi naman yan officially loss, it's just paper loss. In fact, if you followed the concept whereby you study the fundamentals to identify which stocks to get in, and technical analysis will show you when to get in. So if you did your assignment in the fundamental analysis, hindi ka kakabahan kahit 45% drop yan. Kasi alam mo na solid yung company na yan, sentiment lang yung bumaba. Rather, if that's the situation, use your buying power and then add some more volume down below, lowering down your cost average. So I hope that makes sense. And definitely pag solid pang stock, Home naman, di ba si Home kay Villar yan? Tapos they're parang pure gold, parang SM. Di ba all home? Yun. Tatas pa yan. Just feeling ko nasa nasa malapit na sa bottom niya. And then the next moves yan, aakit na yan. If you have some buying power, meron akong stock na naipit ako actually, si MRC. Nakwento ko na to before eh. Ang ginawa ko kay MRC, ngayon ang liit na lang ng average ko dyan. So, nasa 40 plus yata. Nakalimutan ko na. Basta nasa 40 plus yung una kong average. And then, I was able to buy during this period, itong nag-ceiling play siya dito. Yan, nakabili ako dito. So, sobrang bagsak, di ba? From a 0.45. Naka ilang percent na yan? Nasa halos nasa 65% kasi hindi nga ako nakapag-cut loss. So, hinayaan ko na lang siya dyan. Sabi ko, sayang naman kung i-cut loss ko siya. Hindi naman ako, may trabaho naman ako. Um, hindi ko naman kailangan yung pera as of now. So, ang ginawa ko, nung umabot siya dito, sabi ko, na timingan ko kasi to. Nag-enter ako around 0.18. Okay? Tapos, the next day, tumuloy pa siya. Nakapag-profit take ako around 22.22. So, two things happened. Na-lower down yung cost average ko. Tapos, nakapag-profit take ako sa amount that I entered. So, that means, so nag-enter ko 0.18, nag-profit take lang ako sa share na binili ko at 0.18. And when it reached the 0.22, doon ako nag-profit take. So, currently, nasa 0.24, 0.25 level na ang aking cost average. But very near, in fact, nalampasan nga niya at one point, nag-0.26 pa siya. Hindi ako nag-profit take. Kasi pag nag-profit take ako, kahit green na ako dito, right now, in reality, red pa rin yan. Kasi sa first na pagbili ko sa kanya, yung remaining na shares na nandun ngayon sa MRC is actually the share that was bought at 0.45. So, kung i-profit take ko na siya ngayon, ang ending nun, parang cut loss. Kasi the only reason why the cost average dropped is because of the purchase I made at 0.18. And dahil nag-profit take na ako sa 0.18 kong purchase, so balik tayo sa original number of shares. So parang sa COL, nag-merge kasi yung cost average. Pero dapat mo lang tandaan na yung stock mong binili, you actually bought that at a 0.45 and the cost average is kumbaga insignificant. Maganda lang siya tignan. Pero kapag mag-exit ka dyan, in reality, nag-cut loss ka dahil sa naiwang shares ay actually were the shares you bought at a 0.45. Ilang percent po kaya kayo nagka-cut na? Iba-iba. Minsan, 0.5, 0.6. Kung maliit lang naman yung number of shares na nabili ko at maliit lang ang amount, mas forgiving ako dyan. Minsan naabot ako 0.10, saka ako mag-cut loss. Pero pag malaki na ang amount na nalagay ko or number of shares na binili ko dyan, I have to be mindful kung gusto kong i-trade lang talaga siya. Pero most of the stocks I'm engaged in sa Philippine market are for long term. So, mas forgiving ako. In fact, may JFC, may BDO. Sa totoo lang, pula ako dyan ngayon. Kasi, nag-drop siya. But, am I taking action? No. Rather, I've been buying some more dahil I'm waiting for it to move higher kasi pang long term sila. Long term ko yung dalawang yan. Ang pangit po kasi ng entry ko kay green. Pangit paputaya yung candle niya. Green. Yan, si green may resistance kang malapit eh. So, feeling ko magpo-profit take mo ng mga tao dyan. Pero, may foreign buying ka, so baka basagin naman niya yan. We will see. But just to be sure, if you want to enter again, that would be, wait for it to drop. Mag-retrace pa yan. Kasi ang laki na ng inakyat niya from here to almost 2. So, pag mag-drop yan, posibleng 1.92 ang nakikita kong area of bounce, which is very near your MA20 level. Yes, Miss JD, opo, importante may work and emergency funds. Totoo yan. Kaya, Kumbaga, don't stress too much sa stocks na kasi magiging stressful siya if this is your main source of income kasi you're really forced to take advantage of every minute of every opportunity kasi pag kapag hindi ka naka-profit ng isang araw, ang laking impact sa revenue mo for the month. So, people who are always saying na you have to cut loss, baka kasi they're talking or they're advising it based on their profile. But some people have a different profile. So, some people might even find a drop an attractive situation kasi gusto nilang bumili pa ng mas marami. So, sobrang iba talaga. Iba-iba ang pananaw ng tao sa bawat sitwasyon. So, in fact, ako, for example, mas active akong naglalagay ng pondo tuwing payday ngayon kumpara noon. Kasi nakikita ko, mas mura tayo ngayon. And I know that people in the right sectors, hindi naman sila nagpapabaya. They're doing everything they can to solve the situation. It might take some time, but for as long as may other source of income ka, isipin mo na lang nagsasave ka. Alam mo yun? Parang ganun. Okay. Was I able to review all your requests, guys? Tingnan natin, baka may comments pa tayong nakalimutan kong i-review. So, si SSI na-review ko na rin. Ay, si GT Cap pa pala from Raul. GT Cap. Si GT Cap Raul, baka babalikan niya ang 368. 368 level, yan, baka babalikan niya yan. And once it reaches that level, let's observe if you are going to have a much higher RSI. Kasi that could mean a possible reversal na pag andyan. Yan. So, let's see once it touches 368.58 level, because it might create a double bottom with a much higher RSI. If that's the case, then that's a good sign. Sobrang laki din ang na-drop ni GT Cap yun. The next one is Mac and Meg. Na-review ko na ba lahat ng request mo? Wait lang Si Mac, may Mac ka pa pala eh. Yan si Mac. Si Mac related to transportation, aviation yata to. Pero, wow 20%. Ay, tapos na pala to. Okay, so abang-abang tayo. Looks like it's creating a support here. Pero baka pag hindi to mag-hold, guys, babagsak siya. And if it drops, next possible drop would be 4.06 level. Dito siya. Okay, so ito yung sinasabi ko na if you're purely trading this and you enter at the 4.8 level, if it negates your analysis na support yan, dapat mga anong threshold, kung anong threshold na kaya mo. Pag umabot siya, for example, 4.62, cut ka na. Kung ang rule mo, mag-cut ka at 4.62. Pero guys, when you set your stop loss levels, do not put it at the exact support area. Maglalagay ka dapat ng a few cents or a few percentage lower than the support area. Kasi kung sa support area mo mismo ilalagay, natural, kick out ka kasi talagang landing yan landing spot yan ng presyo. So, dapat pag mag-threshold ka ng stop loss level mo, it's slightly lower than the support. Sa area na kaya mo as an amount to lose. Kasi, for instance, ito, nag-threshold ka ng 4.60. Pag hindi ka nakapag-cut loss dyan, alam natin na pwede pang bumaba and spotted 4.01 as the next possible drop. So, right now, those are the key levels that we are looking at. DMC plus 1.07 na. Ano po tingin nyo? Wait pa ba more? Si DMC. DMC, just for now, I think, kung kaya mo pa mag-hold ka lang muna. Kasi nasa taas na tayo ng MA20 Mas maganda ang sitwasyon ngayon kumpara when it was moving right here. Mas delikado pa nga So, ito at least may harang ka na MA20 na posibleng maging bounce area niya. So, if kaya mo pa maghintay, just hold on to it. Kasi baka next possible movement, aakyat na siya. Parang gusto ko lumipat sa EEI. Attractive ka, diba? Ang ganda ng ni EEI 2.05 million in foreign buying. So, it depends. Kung konti lang naman yung isa-sacrifice mo, pwede kasi isa namang angulo yan. Ang daming kwento sa stock market when it comes to trading. So, I'm willing to let go of this amount for a possible return and a faster return of my investment sa kunwari lang sa EEI kasi maganda yung position niya. So, nag-loss ako ng let's say 5% sa kabila pero nabawi ko naman kasi ang ganda ng pasok ko sa isang stock. So, dagdag bawas lang yung sitwasyon and yan ang sinasabing for traders, time is of the essence kasi opportunities. Pag ipit ka sa stock na to, mawawalan ka ng opportunities sa ibang stock na maganda. Pero again, kada tao, iba-ibang sitwasyon. They have their own reasons why they want to stay longer in a stock. Pa isa-isa lang kasi trade ko Pero I hope hindi masyado, alam mo yun, hindi mo inuubos yung buying power mo sa isa lang. Kasi baka sobrang laki ng volume ng tinatrade mo at isa lang. So, may sinasabi tayong you have to diversify din para kung ano man ang mangyari sa isang stock, hindi masasacrifice yung buying power. So, pwede rin okay lang din yan. Basta may ka pa na buying power. Kasi I would understand because you want to focus in just one stock and study it and monitor it. Pero, huwag mo ubusin ang pera mo para lang sa isang stock na all-in. Nakakatakot ang all-in na tinatawag. And, Yan. Sana yung icon na yan. Saan pala nakukuha yung mga icon na yan? Ang cute. Dito sa ang dami pala icons dito. Diba? Pag-aaral. Tayo nag-aaral. Ilang percent po kaya yung cut mula sa support? So, depende siya sa iyo at depende sa amount. Kasi paano kung 1 million ang 1% mo, magkano agad yun? Right? Kung ang 100,000 mo, 1% magkano agad yun. So, kung, for example, 3%, willing ka ba na i-let go ang 3%? So, ideally, mga 3 to 5 yun Pero walang golden rule dyan. It all depends on you. Kung ano ba ang amount na kaya mong i-let go in the event na abutin yung cut loss na yan. Parang considered mo na yan na parang expense side. Okay. The next one, si Meg. This one is from Kenneth. Si Kenneth nandito kanina. Ayan. Si Kenneth nag-request kanina ng Meg sa past video natin. I wonder kung nakalabas na siya or something. Ito ang Meg. We are currently at a support. This is a support for Meg. It's establishing a support at that area. 2.88. Yan. So, posibleng babounce na siya dyan. Hopefully, ha? Kasi, tingnan mo naman. 1, 2, 3, third stop niya na dyan, eh. Triple bottom na siya dyan. Pero, delikado pag hindi nag-sustain yan kasi ang lalim na ng sunod na drop. 2.68. Diba? 2.68, 2.69. So, just closely monitor that and see if it will sustain and hold at that level. Next one. Binabasa ko yung mga comments. Ayan. So, na-review. Si Dito pala. Tingnan natin si Dito. Ayan. Stable. Oh, look at this, guys. 1.4 million on foreign buying. Baka mag-bounce to. Nag-iipon ng lakas si Dito. Tingnan natin. Pero feeling ko paakyat na rin to eh. Ang laki ng din-drop niya. Tapos ngayon uptrend na siya. Nagre-retrace lang ng once in a while. Right? There you have it. So that's your support. Ayan. Okay. Do you have other requests, guys? So, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, you're all invited in this channel. May we create a community. Yep. So if you have not subscribed yet, I'm inviting you to hit the subscribe, i-like nyo na rin, and i-share. Baka may mga groups kayo, guys. Maybe you can share this live to your groups so that they could also join us. And yeah, and you can also show your support to Miss JD if you want to show your support by clicking the super chat down below. In the meantime, if there are no more requests, I can say goodnight, and you guys take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye for now. Salamat! Salamat, Aaron! Thank you.